What's up, guys? Fillemon Shihepo here in today's video, guys. Um, and basically, if you ever wonder if I'm alone, I'm not always alone. I'm with my good buddy here. He's a very nice guy. I like this guy. He gives me a lot of ideas that made me so much money. This guy, just by looking at him. So make sure I have something around you every time. By the way, so it's not like this guy here. Right. Anyways, guys, today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to find content for your niche, right? How to find content for your niche, right? So the first thing you gotta do, right? I have my notes here. I have my notes here because I can. So I type here, and then you can just take a piece of paper and pen and type and write along with me, right? So the first thing you wanna do, number one thing you wanna do is find struggles, sorry. Find struggles in right? Find struggles in your niche, right? What does that mean, right? So, because when you're starting out, obviously there has to be a problem somewhere in order for you to solve it, right? So, and the three niches to find struggle from the three common ones are basically the health niche. People care about their health, so the problem, like for example, let me give you an idea. What are the problems in the health niche, right? People want to lose weight. People want to get to be in better shape. People want to be on a good diet. People want to do this, right? Wealth. People want to make people want to know how to make money online. People want to know how to do this, how to do that, right? So that's wealth. And love. People want to know how to secretly they ask it out. How the smartest way to ask it out, or the smartest way to talk to your crush, something like that, right? People need love or want love, right? For what reason? But yeah, that's what people do, right? So find the struggles in your niche. You can talk about it, right? That's the number one. Find struggles in your niche. What are people struggling in your niche about? Maybe they're struggling about this, like what I said before, and then talk about it. The second one is basically um look at your competition, right? I hope I spelled that right. Right, look at your competition. Now, what is your competition? Your competition basically are the people who are in the same niche as you, right? Um, Obviously, you're not the only one in your niche. You're not the only one in your niche, or probably, or unless you create your own niche, which is impossible in nowadays because there's everything out there. For example, let me say, how to turn this pen inside out, which is impossible. But hey, maybe that's your niche, right? Or something like that, right? Look at what your competitors are doing. Look at what people in your niche are doing, or what content are they putting out. People in your niche, right? Look at what they are putting out, and then also put out not necessarily the same content, but get ideas from it, right? For example, if the person in your niche, let's say for example the losing weight niche, uh look how I lost 60 pounds with this keto diet, right? So you can turn it around and say, this keto diet can make you lose over 50 pounds, right? And then you watch the guy's video or the whatever, not trying to be gender specific here. You watch the person's video and then you see what can you do to what better thing can you do, or what can you model, right? What thing that he says there that you did not really, that you feel like I can do better than him in this thing, right? Because obviously there's always room for perfection. I mean, for something to for I mean for improvement. It's always room for improvement, right? So you look at what good thing you must that's in there that you can change, and then change it up, and then boom, there's your video, right? That's the second thing. The third thing is, I don't know why I'm doing this. Third thing is, look at what's working already. Never mind. Look at what's working already, right? Look at what's working already. What do I mean by that? It's always here obviously have to be something that's working, right? Let me show you an example. Show you an example real quick here. Let's say YouTube. Let's go to YouTube, right? YouTube. And then you wanna basically look at what other people are saying. It's not like you're looking at your competition. but it's the top people out there, the top people out there in your niche, in your niche, in your category, or wherever, right? The top, right? I want you to do this, right? So this is not gonna load up. Looks like it, right? I want you to go in your niche, if it's weight loss niche, and write down uh 50 over not 50, sorry, not 50, 10 to 15 YouTube channels, right? Of the people, the top people in your niche. If it's affiliate marketing, you write down freedom influencer, Joshua Elder, Eric Ellis, Marisa Romero, Chad Bradley, right? If it's in the health niche, the same thing. If it's in the lab niche, I know some people. Hey, don't judge. I know some people, right? I know some people in there also. But you write down the top 15 channels, right? And then you go in YouTube. Go in YouTube. You go in the videos, right? This is only working for laptop. I mean PC. I never saw it on the phone, by the way. What I'm telling you right now. So you go into the video section, and then you sort by. Where is sort by? You sort by most popular, or most viewed. I think it's most viewed, between most viewed and most popular, right? And then you write down 15 of each person's video, right? 15 of each person's video. So basically, if from one person, 15 videos, 15 of the popular videos that you think you can talk about, right? 15, 15, 15, 15, 15 for 15 people, 15 videos each, right? And then you see what you can talk about in that niche. Yes, some videos might be similar, but hey, look at what's working and then improve it, right? Improve it. That's what you do. Wait, sorry. The fourth thing is do keyword research. People don't do this. People don't do keyword research. I don't know why. All right, but you must do keyword research. What are people in your niche searching about? For example, in the weight loss niche, what are people searching about that you can talk about? People are obviously searching something. Install this keyword planner called keywords everywhere. It will teach you what people are searching about. Right? It's a free one, by the way. Right? If they are searching about how to lose weight, or basically maybe there's a new product, For example, let me say the fitless, fitless keto, fitless keto, right? Maybe that's a product, right? And people are searching about the fitless keto. What does it do? What does it do? Right? You go, you watch, you go to the program of the fitness keto, right? And then you watch the video about the fitness keto and everything. Go in the members area if it's possible. You can buy it. If you prefer, it's even better. And then do a review on the fitness keto, right? That's by the way, that's not even a product, or if it is, I don't know, right? And then you look for the fitness keto, right? And then when it's in the, and then you do a review on that, and then boom! Not only have you got content for them, but also you're doing a review, which will also make you more money, people, because people are searching on that. They are searching that. They are looking for information on about the fitness keto, and for you as a marketer, is for them to give them the solution to the problem. Tell them more about the fitness keto, right? Or whatever it is, right? The fitnessless keto, whatever it is, right? And, and then market right? So that's the fourth thing. The last thing, the fifth way is right. Go to Google Trends. Right, go to Google Trends. Right, there is always Google Trends. You go to Google, search for Google Trends. Right, even right now you can go search for Google Trends, and then you go there. You search. You look up for what's trending today or that week on Google Trends, and then you look in your niche, what for typing in, if it's weight loss, or if it's this, or if it's almost the same as your niche. For example, my niche is make money online. So what can be trending can be like phones, right? Phones can be trending, and I can make a video not about phones because I'm in the fitness. I mean, because I'm in the make money online, but I can say, hey, look at how my phone has made me over $1,500, right? Look at how my phone has made me $300, right? Something like that. And then the keywords are phones, phones, right? So you always want to model, right? But I know that I said five things, guys, but I just want to give you a sixth thing for. As a thank you for staying up to my video up to this point. Make sure that you are it shows me that you are really committed and want to do this and you want to go really full on with this. So I'm gonna give you a bonus point. Bonus point, which is number 6. I like this one the most. People don't use it for some reason. I like it, right? Bonus. I don't, let me write it, right? Uh, go, go to Bing Trends, right? Go to Bing Trends, right? Bing. That's wrong. Bing Trends, right? Go to Bing Trends, on their page on Bing, right? And then you search for what's trending on Bing. People don't like to search on Bing. I don't know why though, but it's also more powerful. It's also powerful. Sometimes things that are not sometimes things that are not trending on Bing that are trending on Google. Sometimes the things that are not trending on Google are trending on Bing. So what you wanna do is kill two birds with one stone. If it's just trending on this side, it gotta be trending on this side, right? If it's not trending on this side, it gotta be trending on this side, right? So you always wanna go there, right? So thank you guys for watching. Those are the 5 or 6. Let me say 6. 6 ways on how to find content for your niche, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. My name is Fillemon Shihepo. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, guys. It really helps out the channel a lot, guys. Check out my number 1 recommendation on how to do affiliate marketing, everything I teach you, and even more how to promote, how to do this, how to promote affiliate marketing, how to get your first commission, how to set up sales funnel, how to do this, how to do that. Everything is like a whole affiliate marketing guide thing, right? In one. Check out the first link in the description, guys, to take you there. And go check it out, guys. Thank you for watching once again. My name is Fillemon Shihepo. Happy holidays, guys, and peace out.